Today, we will be making yogurt fruit crunch. This recipe is brought to you by the Virginia Family Nutrition Program. To begin, gather your ingredients. If you're using fresh fruit, be sure to wash your produce in cold water before serving. First, divide your fruit into serving bowls. For this recipe, you can make it your own by using your favorite fruits. Berries such as strawberries, blackberries, and blueberries work well. One option to add additional protein, healthy fats, and flavor to this dish is to combine your yogurt base with a nut butter such as peanut butter. Next, layer your yogurt on top of your fruit in the bowl. Top each bowl with 1/4 cup of granola. Serve and enjoy.